I showed a sneak peek picture of my teacher folio planner thingy, and so I finished it and thought I would just do a quick run through so you can see what it's like. This is a 5.5 by 8.5 inch little booklet. I used a Craftex material for the spine here and the two little spines here. Craftex is like a paper fabric, and so I really like using it. It's really durable, like you can't rip it. So if you haven't tried it, I know it comes in a couple different colors, but I have black, white, and like a kind of like a chipboard color. Really, it's kind of like a dark, deep tan or whatever. So that's what I used. I do have two holes that I punched in so that I could have an elastic to hold a book inside, and then I just happen to have a charm that matched color-wise. It says sweet on there. And then the back, I just mimicked the front, except for I put some extra decoration on here. I have some metal corners here. I've had a couple enamel dots. I have a die. This is just a little bow. So anyway, let me just show you what it's like on the inside. So when you open it, the two sides are exactly the same. So I have 3 pockets here. These pockets go all the way down, so you can put something pretty long in there. So like this top pocket, it's pretty deep. I mean, it goes all 8.5 inches. So that'll be good to store like half sheets of paper or something. And then I just put some of the cut aparts in there. And so the other side is just the same exact thing. So I didn't put anything in those pockets yet. So I like having like a planner, a small planner, just for small things I need to write down. And so this like little traveler's notebook, I think I got it at Tuesday morning. And so I just added the paper and stuff to the cover. So it's like a planner on the inside. It says the times of the day, and just you can write stuff down real briefly. So all I did was just add paper on the front and the back, and then I added some decorations here, a little button, and so yeah. Both of these open up on each side, so it's, this opens up, and these are from the paper collection. I just cut out these little note cards or flash cards. These are some envelopes that I have in here. And then I have an envelope, not an envelope, a pocket to hold this little notepad. And I didn't need 2 notepads, so on the other side I just left it a pocket, and these are note cards that I can use, and just add a little decoration. Here's some more envelopes, but it pretty much looks the same. But I kind of like a chunky book, so I don't have a closure because of this Craftex. It's real easy to work with, and it's real flexible, so I kind of like that bigger chunky feeling. And I don't want to have a tie because it's a pain for me to untie it when I need to write something. So I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. I think I'll use it. I mean, it's something I'll really use. I won't probably add pictures in it, but I'll definitely use it for school. So there will be a tutorial for you on how to make the main part of the book. I don't show you how to make this book because I obviously bought it, but those are easy enough to make or buy on your own. So yeah, if you're interested, this is the Cartabella paper collection called School Days, and you can get it from the store, Country Craft Creations, and I'll be putting a tutorial up hopefully by this weekend. Yeah, probably this weekend. All right, thank you for watching.